Hi guys. Welcome to our channel puregkworld. Today's topic is related our data privacy. You know that each and every browser saves our personal information knowingly or unknowingly. Even if it is our email ID, or our search history or our location. These things might be simple for you, but all these things are our personal information too. So today I am going to tell you about a browser called TOR browser. If you have not subscribed my channel for such interesting topics, do it. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll keep you updated with latest technological informations. TOR browser is actually used by hackers. This is in fact like a VPN, but not completely like VPN. VPNs only have a single IP address while you browse. But TOR browser keeps on changing VPN to various locations, due to which nobody can able to trace you. TOR is actually allows people to improve their privacy and security on the internet. TOR's users employ this network by connecting through a series of virtual tunnels rather than making a direct connection, thus allowing both organizations and individuals to share information over public networks without compromising their privacy. TOR allows you to access blocked websites, for example torrent sites. You know some networks have blocked torrent sites, but TOR allows you to access any torrent websites. TOR is also known as Onion browser. You might be wondering why. If you notice, you can see TOR's logo is onion shaped and onions have different layers. Likewise, TOR works. When you browse using TOR browser, it has separate layers to filter your search so that nobody can able to trace you. For more details regarding the browser, kindly visit the site https://www.torproject.org/about/overview.html.n. I hope you got an idea regarding the browser. Our internet surveillance is very strict now. Please don't use it for any bad purposes. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon with an interesting topic.